Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, new trainers. In this video, we will help you begin your exciting journey in the world of Pokémon Go. First, download the free app from your device's app store. Once installed, create your account and personalize your avatar to represent you in the game. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the map, which shows your current location and any Pokémon nearby. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your adventure. Now that you are set up, it is time to catch your very first Pokémon. When you see a Pokémon on your map, simply tap on it to begin the encounter. To catch it, swipe a Pokéball towards the creature on your screen. You can use various berries, like a raspberry, to make the Pokémon easier to capture. Aim for excellent throws to earn extra experience points and level up faster. Pokémon Go encourages exploration. As you walk around, you will encounter Pokéstops, which are marked locations where you can spin photo discs to collect items like Pokéballs and potions. You can also challenge other trainers' Pokémon at gyms to earn coins and defend your team's territory. Don't forget to place eggs in incubators. Walking 2, 5, or 10 kilometers will hatch new Pokémon for your collection. As you catch more Pokémon, you will want to make them stronger. Use Stardust and specific Pokémon candy to power up your Pokémon, increasing their combat power. When you collect enough candy for a particular species, you can evolve it into a more powerful form. Trading Pokémon with friends is also a fantastic way to fill out your Pokédex and get special Pokémon. Keep an eye out for special research tasks, offering unique challenges and rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.